Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find the appearance section on your settings easy and quickly. So first of all, enter the Bluesky section, then go to these three lines up here, then go to the settings, and here you will find appearance. So as you see here, you can manage this section, the color mode or the dark theme, the font and the font size. So that's how to find the appearance section on your account on Bluesky, easy and quickly. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And that's it. See you in the next video.